My name is Chijioke Agbasi. I'm a software engineer. I would like to share with you two projects that I worked on. The first project is called Sports, and in this project, the main goal was to make the web page display adaptable to all screen width sizes, all device screen width sizes. I wrote this code in HTML and CSS, and this is the code. And also, these are the different CSS blocks for the user profile, the header, so let's go ahead and see the page. Open a live server. So this is the web page. It's a user's social media profile and image gallery. So this page will respond to different screen width sizes. For example, for a smartphone, a desktop, a laptop, a tablet. And we'll see that in action. So these colored margins are media queries that I programmed to adjust the display grid according to the device screen width. So for example, you can see this is for this screen width, which is a laptop size of 1440 pixels. And we go wider to see how you have the image gallery and the profile centered on the page. This would be for a 2560 pixel width device. So a monitor, a big screen. Here we can see the page is centered and the margins. It adjusts accordingly as you reduce the width of the device. So this width, the profile looks like this with margins and two columns. Keep adjusting, reducing the screen size, and it adjusts to one column at 833 pixels of width. And this will be for a phone or a tablet. The mobile phone will look like this. So yes, I was able to design the web page to make it responsive to various screen width. I also incorporated responsive buttons to the hover mouse of the user on those elements: edit profile and new post, and also the heart button. How was this done in HTML and CSS? For example, the user avatar card. This is the button, and you have the cursor pointer that activates and turns from the cursor into a hand pointer. You have changed the opacity to according to the user mouse hover. On to the next project. The second project that I'd like to share with you. This project was a long web page for a coffee shop. And I'll go ahead and open the live server to view the web page. And this is the web page. Key highlights are responsive navigation tab, iframes to import YouTube videos, web videos.
In this video, I'm going to be talking through my recommended AeroPress technique.
Now, this is a technique.
Form section where the user can put in their name, number of guests, date and time, email, book a table in the coffee shop. And this is also a responsive button. As you can see, the color changes as you hover over the button. This is the menu displayed as a flex box. We have an animation here, programmed in CSS. The social media contact, responsive to the mouse. The animation for the about page is coded like this. Keyframes, what it does, and I showed you the animation earlier. I would consider myself an expert in CSS and HTML. I look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.